guys, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're making a hot chocolate mix. Here are the 4 ingredients you'll need to make your hot chocolate mix. Guys, this is a super simple mix to put together. I have my blender here. Then I'm just going to get all my ingredients into the blender. I'm going to start with my sugar and I'm going to measure off the other ingredients, which is my cocoa powder. And you want to use a unsweetened cocoa powder to make this mix. We're going to add some powdered milk as well as coffee creamer. And we're going to get it all blended up. As simple as that. And when I tell you this is the perfect recipe for a creamy homestyle cup of cocoa, it is perfect. Really rich and creamy. Now you want to place your mix in an airtight container, and this mix will last up to 1 month. Make sure to take a look at the date of all the ingredients that you're adding in, so that the date won't expire before your mix does. Of course, this hot chocolate is good all by itself, but we're going to jazz it up a little bit. We're going to add a few toppings. One of the favorites for hot chocolate is marshmallows. That's a given. But we're going to add us some mint, and I have some soft mints here that I'm going to use a mallet, and I'm just going to pound those out right here in the individual packet that it is in. And we're going to add them to our little jar, and that's going to be another added addition to our cocoa. Tasty. To make your cup of your cocoa, you're going to need 2 to 3 tablespoons of your cocoa mix to 1 cup of milk. Add your favorite toppings, and it's perfect for those cold winter nights. This recipe is absolutely kid friendly. Get those babies into the kitchen with you. Have them measure out. It's a good way to use some skills, math skills, and have them measure out the ingredients. Somebody's stirring. Just have fun with it. This is a great activity for family. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next time right here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.